Intermittent fasting, IF, has gained immense popularity in recent years as a flexible and effective approach to health and weight management. For beginners, understanding the fundamentals of intermittent fasting is crucial for success and sustainability. Here are the most important basics to get you started. 1. Understanding intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not a diet but an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. The focus is on when you eat rather than what you eat. Common methods include 16 to 8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. 5 to 2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days a week and reduce calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Eat stop eat. Fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. 2. Choosing the right method. Selecting an intermittent fasting method that aligns with your lifestyle is essential. Beginners often find the 16-8 method the easiest to start with because it fits naturally with sleep schedules and daily routines. The key is to choose a method you can stick to consistently. 3. Gradual adjustment. Start gradually. If you're accustomed to eating 3 meals a day plus snacks, jumping straight into a 16-hour fast might be challenging. Begin by delaying breakfast or eating dinner earlier, and gradually increase your fasting window. For staying hydrated. During fasting periods, staying hydrated is crucial. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee, without sugar or cream, are generally acceptable. Proper hydration helps manage hunger and keeps you energized. 5. Nutrient-dense meals. What you eat during your eating window is as important as the fasting period. Avoid binge eating or consuming junk food, as this can counteract the benefits of fasting. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving health and managing weight, but it's essential to approach it with a clear understanding of the basics.